With vocal video, our organization is able to use testimonial videos for marketing purposes and content video creation. Lately, we've been seeing quite the rise in our customers craving more and more video content. So vocal video gives us the ability to easily and quickly create that content that they're looking for. Actually, a feature that we use quite often on the marketing team is the feature that vocal video offers, where you're able to read the transcript and captions. We use that because as designers, it's very easy for us to quickly scan what was said in the video, and we're then able to pull out those sound bites from the video and use those for marketing purposes. As part of the marketing team, we are always looking to create new content, and we're able to do that with vocal video. We simply send a vocal video link to our sales reps and are able to have them record knowledge topics that align with whatever campaign we are running that month. We are then able to use that recorded content across all of our marketing platforms. This is something that's been especially helpful for us since 2020, whenever we all started working remotely. After teaching sales reps how to record themselves in vocal video, which was super easy, we are able to have them record content for us from the comfort of their own home or if they're in office. Lastly, on occasion, another way we will use vocal video is whenever we reach out to our clients to record testimonials about how we as Beacon Funding has helped them as a funding source for their business. Video testimonials that we create using vocal video are very important to our organization, as they're able to help us reach a broader audience. We're able to clearly show who we are as a company and let the customers get to know us better. They feel more of a sense of personality behind the brand. They know that whenever they call us, they know who they're speaking with and they know what to expect. If I could describe vocal video in just a few short sentences, I would say it's super easy to use no matter your level of expertise. For reference, I'm a graphic designer, so I know my way around video editing platforms very well. But a lot of times I'm working on projects with sales representatives in different departments who know nothing about this kind of stuff. After spending just a few minutes with them, whenever I need to work on a project with them, it's super simple to be able to show them how to use vocal video editing platform. It's easy no matter if you're an expert or just a beginner. I can imagine all industries would benefit from using the platform vocal video. You're able to capture a moment that not all platforms are able to capture. You're able to showcase who you really are as a company, person, showcase your testimonials, etc.